Because we're not downloading the application directly from the Apple App Store, there's a couple extra steps that you have to take into account. So once you've registered on our website and logged into the download manager, you'll get to the iOS download page that's for you. So once you're there, then you just click on the link to download. You'll get this prompt to install. And then you have another step you have to do before you can actually open the app. So go back to your page and go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down to General, and then scroll down to the bottom, and if even if it wasn't there before, you should see a thing now called Device Management. Tap that. Now you'll see the app that's being downloaded from Aegis, so you tap on that, and then tap Trust Advanced Download Systems. You'll see this prompt, hit Trust again, and then that way the app is verified to run on your device. And you can go back and find LifeRing, which is right there.